In today's video, I am going to teach you how to do W-9 on bill.com. A W-9 form is commonly used when a vendor or contractor is setting up payment and needs to provide their tax information. Bill.com makes it easy to upload the correct document, so your account stays organized and your records are ready when needed. To get started, you will first log into your Bill account. When you open bill.com, you should see the sign-in page. Enter your login information, then click the sign-in button. Once you are successfully logged in, you will want to pause for a moment and confirm that you are in the correct workspace or account area. This matters because the upload option is available in the document area, and you want to make sure you are in the right place before you submit anything. After you are logged in, the next step is to find the Documents section. Look for a menu option labeled Documents or Attachments. On some screens, it may appear as a tab, a link, or a section within your main navigation. Take your time here and make sure you are selecting the area related to files you can upload. If you see multiple document-related choices, choose the one that clearly relates to adding or managing attachments. Now that you have located the Documents or Attachments area, you will click Upload. This is the action that tells bill.com you want to add a new file. When you click Upload, a file picker window should appear. This window lets you browse your computer or device for the file you prepared, which in this case should be your W-9 document. Next, you will select the W-9 file. In the file picker, navigate to the folder where the document is saved. The file might be a PDF or another common document format, depending on how you obtained or generated it. Once you find the correct file, click to highlight it so it is selected. After it is selected, review the fine line to confirm it matches the W-9 you intend to upload. This quick check helps prevent mistakes, especially if you have more than one tax form saved on your device. With the correct file selected, you will click Save. This final confirmation is what actually uploads the document to bill.com. After you click Save, you may see a brief loading screen or a status indicator. If there is a progress message, wait until it finishes. Do not leave the page or refresh while the upload is still processing, because that could interrupt the transfer. After the upload completes, you should see the document appear in the Documents or Attachments list. Take a second to confirm it is visible and that it matches what you uploaded. If there is an option to view or download the attachment, you can use it to double-check that the file opens correctly. This step is helpful because it ensures you uploaded the right version, and it gives you confidence that the document is ready for whatever workflow you are completing in bill.com. Once you verify the file is in place, you are done with the upload process. If bill.com prompts you for anything additional, such as associating the document with a specific item, follow only the prompts that appear in your screen. Otherwise, you can simply return to your main page. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.